ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
You see, I'm not like others who just put lipstick from the face. Myself, if I put lipstick from the lips, I put from the heart also. So who personally with the
Ubah Sanbor Shulai ubulong noilam jangka Bharatiya Janata Party baru MLA jangka South Shillong constituency ulakam balai pho na shispa kinong kershan jong kimshim la Thep vote hak election Lok Sabha na kadaw bagi Bitar ya ke jingbam penyeng kertong jangka BJP na Shillong parliamentary seat. Hak jekran begla pathai kubor ba Sanbor loong bagi nong Thep vote ki village ki polling station hawa kimyo i ya ke sharp jong sentiu latas klami no na ke jaka Thep vote.
Something like that because their candidate, my name was not there, my symbol was not there. But still we are winning. In my constituency, I'm winning. The NPP winning means the Sanbor Chulai BJP is winning. So many of our supporters out of anger, they did not go and cast their vote. And number two is MP, MP election. Normally, if you see at the previous record, the same thing. 50, 52, 53, 54. But in other states, in India, there are only 49, 50, 51 in other big states. But here, in my constituency, at least 59% they have casted. So not bad. You see, last election, they feel me. I contest, I came third. At least, I cannot get gold medal. I could not get silver medal. At least I got an opportunity to stand on the victory stand. I got a bronze medal. I came to third position, bronze medal. So I feel this time also they should feel, because as we have seen, I had a press conference with you after I submitted the letter of support to Dr. Fenela Lingdo to be the MP candidate. But at last, when the party they have come up with that directive, so what to do? I have to comply only. It may happen, if you say 2 BJP, it may happen in Pandorum Kara, but not in 19th South Shillong. In 19th South Shillong, I will tell you frankly, based on my, you see the day when I visit the polling booth in my constituency, interacting with the people in the, but we have got the concrete information that 30% of the die-hard BJP, they did not cast their vote. 30%. The percentage come very, very less. 30% they did not cast because out of anger. There are also men, women, boys and girls I met in the polling booth. They said, our volunteers says, sir, these people, they are asking they went to push the button, since there is my name is not there in the VM, my symbol this lotus flower is not there. They went to the presiding officer and said, Sanbor, where is the name of Sanbor? Where is the lotus of Narendra Modi? They ran away. They did not cast their vote. So all these things is happening. That since you are asking that there may be a division, there may be, since you have pointed out 2 BJP, in my constituency, 2 BJP, it means, in my constituency, it never happened.
Allegation.
That allegation. It may happen, if you see 2, it may happen in Puntor, but not in my constituency. You see, actually regarding the recent MP Lok Sabha election, so few weeks before the election, so we have got the order from the central leaders from Delhi, and based on the suggestion and conversation between the state leaders like Dr. Chubao and Rituraj Sinhaji, who is also the in charge of the BJP Northeastern states, that they have that adjustment that seat adjustment in the entire northeast. So where there will be seats where the NPP are not going to, there's a pre-poll alliance. So here they have come up with the decision not to fill the candidate in both the seat, the Tura and the Shillong. So as a party loyalist, I have to comply with the order of the party high command, and accordingly we have supported the NPP. You see, I'm not like others. I'm not like others who just put lipstick from the face. Myself, if I put lipstick from the lips, I put from the heart also. So who personally with my supporter, with all the caricatures of the 19 South Shillong Constituency BJP, we wholeheartedly supported the NPP. Yeah, because this is a political propaganda. It happened, and people also they believe in political propaganda, and the political propaganda, especially from the part of the opposition, that see now the NPP is supporting the BJP, the BJP is supporting the NPP. The NPP is joining the BJP with the intention, with the vision that the NPP and the BJP, they will convince the central leader, they will convince Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji to formulate the law that all Christian, they'll formulate the law that all Christian in Meghalaya will be converted into Hinduism. So this is the political propaganda. So so it works so fast especially in the villages, in the rural area, that the people in the rural area, especially our Christian brothers and sisters, they believe that because now the NPP have joined the BJP, that they will convert all Christian. So the opposition, they said that, see, we the opposition, we are the party of the Christian, for the Christian, and now we are going to protect the Christian from converting you into Hinduism. So this is the political propaganda.